Wow! Congratulations!
Nice, nice!
Huh? Wow. Beautiful, Katie.
Good gravy!
Fantastic!
Another day.
Yeah!
Huh?
Oh, come on! Easy game. Uh-oh!
I got an idea!
Here we go! Okay, let's go! Watch out! Here I come! Hooray!
Yeah, let's go.
Thanks, Pally!
Bye.
Oh, okay. Come on!
Bye, have a great time!
Hello.
Let's go, let's go! I am ready to put on a show!
Hello, Ed boys. Many doors, yeah? Too much? Or couch potato Ed boys like yourself?
Hello, cutie pie. Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Yahoo!
Here I go!
Going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the chump.
Huh?
Yay!
Hey, hey, hey! Nope.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Go, go, go!
Okay, let's go!
Yay, yay! Wow! Congratulations!
Thank you very much!
Wow! Amazing!
Yay, yay!
Okay, let's go!
Huh?
Bye, have a great time!
Ta-da!
Here we go!
Goodbye.
Hello.
Aha!
to put on a show!
Hooray! Hooray!
Oh, ho, ho, ho! すごい!
Here I go!
I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge!
I am ready to put on a show!
Bruh.
Hello!
Come on! Mario's gonna be something illegal.
Go, go, go!
Oh my god! What is that?
Oh my god!
Say what?
Bruh.
Here we go! Yes.
Easy!
Nice. Nice.
Oh! Whoa! すごい!
Going to kill some kids today. Looking for the jump puppy ones. Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Ho-ho! Here I go! Whoa! Amazing! Here we go! Woohoo!
Evacuate the building, let's go!
Bye, have a great time!
Hello, cutie pie.
Okay.
Wow! Amazing! Here we go!
Yahoo!
Huh?
Oh, just gonna look at watch.
Oh, hello.
Here I go!
Oh, just gonna look at watch.
Okay.
Ta-da! Yahoo!
Bye.
Let's go, let's go!
Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye bye. Woohoo! Oh yes.
Goodbye.
Yay! Oh no! Wow,
Bye, have a great time. Okay, let's go.
Oh, hello, shuffleboard. Now you're jumping, Clubby, just like I.
Roar, niemand boeit.
Come on.
You're a great team. Jay, is that you? What happened? How did Rod capture Liz?
Let's go, let's go.
Okay.
Yes, you! I know you have Liz, but I want you to release her.
Beautiful, Katie.
Oh, yeah!
Whoa, amazing!
That's crazy. What are you talking about? Leave me alone. Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun. Oh, what a beautiful child.
Uh-oh.
I got an idea.
Very good. Too easy. Piece of cake.
Nicer, nicer.
Here we go.
Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Goody, he's here.
Bye. Come on, man. Okay.
Come on, step it up! Yahoo! Yeah!
Open up and say
Bye, have a great time.
Oh, hello!
Wow, congratulations!
oh, hello, Chuck. Now you're jumping, Clubby, just like I like. Jay, is that you? What happened? How did Rod capture Liz?
Uh-oh.
It's crazy. What are you talking about? Leave me alone. Going to find chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Hooray! Mark? Hey, what happened?
I got an idea.
Nicer, nicer.
Okay, let's go.
Haha, you're a great team. Oh yeah!
Right.
Hey, it's me, Goku.
Okay. Nicer, nicer.
What a beautiful chump. Come here. I have a very good.
Hey guys, what's going on?
Whoa, amazing! Come on. Beautiful, Katie. Bye.
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Respond to a 1017 in South.
Come on, man. Yes, you. I know you have Liz, and I want you to release her.
Broer, niemand boeit. Aha!
Oh yeah!
Let's go, let's go.
Hooray! Question mark? Thanks, Pally.
Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye, have a great time.
Yummy, yummy.
Here's a little faster. Yeah!
Hello, Ed boys. Go, go, go! Hello, Ed boys.
Yeah!
Go, go, go!
Bye-bye. We're in trouble now.
Here I go!
Woohoo!
Oh, hello. Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
We're in trouble now.
I got an idea.
Here we go! Thanks, Pally. Come on.
Okay, okay.
Here I go!
Here we go!
Go, go, go!
Bye, have a great time!
Wow! Congratulations! Yahoo!
Yes, you! You know you
have Liz, and I want you to release her.
Bror, niemand boeit!
Oh, hello, chunky boy. Now you're chunky bubby just like I like. Open up and say,
Uh-oh.
You're a great team.
Yahoo!
Whoa, amazing!
Hey, what happened? I got an idea. Oh, hello!
Hooray! Question mark?
Okay, let's go.
Bror, niemand boeit!
Come on, man.
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Nice.
Hey, it's me, Goku.
Thanks, Pally.
Very good.
Okay.
Aha!
Wow! Congratulations!
Yahoo!
Very good. Come on, step it up.
Hooray! Question mark?
It's crazy. What are you talking about? Leave me alone.
Bye.
Here we go!
Yeah!
Oh, what a beautiful child. Come here. I have
Bye, have a great time.
Hello.
Hey, what happened?
Wow.
Let's go!
Bye.
Oh yeah!
Oh, hello!
Yay! I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge.
Let's go.
Here I go!
Stop!
Yeah, boy.
Okay.
I got an idea!
Thank you very much.
Okay. Come on!
Going to find me some chubby kids, and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Yeah!
Oh yes!
Nice!
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Okay, let's go!
Nice.
Okay. Here we go! Bye, have a great time.